The best YouTube tag applications for Android are specialized tools designed to assist content creators in optimizing their video searchability and discoverability on the platform. These apps typically help users identify relevant and effective tags to incorporate into their video uploads, which can significantly enhance search rankings and attract a broader audience. Key features often include automatic tag generation based on trending keywords, analysis of competitors' tags, and tailored suggestions suited to specific niches or topics. Additionally, some of these applications provide insights into how tags affect video performance, along with analytics tools that allow users to track metrics such as views, engagement rates, and audience retention. By streamlining the tagging process and optimizing content for SEO, YouTube tag applications empower creators to enhance their videos' reach and visibility. This ultimately fosters growth in their channels, increases audience engagement, and helps them stay competitive in a crowded digital landscape. Many users find these applications invaluable for refining their content strategies and expanding their viewer base effectively.